everybody, today I'm going to be doing a little shelving project out of 2x4s and plywood. I'm going to be building it for a garage, not that garage, this garage. Now the reason I'm building it for this garage, as you can see behind me, we have to do a little bit of organizing. So the space that I've been given is over there. Let's go take a look at that. So the allotted space that I have for this project is basically this whole wall here, but we're going to be designing just part of the shelving today. We're going to be going from the corner over 8 feet. We're going to make the shelves 8 feet tall, and it's going to be 3 feet from the wall. So from here over, we're looking at about 3 feet or 36 inches. Now this is designed based on what we're going to be storing, whether it's boxes, old tires, all sorts of stuff. We're going to go from there. The bottom from here up, first shelf's not going to start until 4 feet from the ground to allow for tall and heavy items to be on the bottom. The next section will be 2 feet tall, and from there another 2 feet up until the top. So I have a whole bunch of lumber here. I have 17 2x4s, 2 sheets of plywood that I've already ripped, and I've got some extra material for another project. So here's my basic set of plans. It's gonna look something like that. I think this is my first draft. I made a cutting list to kind of just figure out my rough sizes. After that, I started drawing more stuff. I might try using pocket holes for some of this, but we'll see. It's not gonna be holding tons of strength in some spots. Figured out my sizes, and then I start breaking down, okay, how long is each piece actually going to be if I want to have a total width of 36 inches. More drawings, figured out my cost for materials, and everything else should be good. Oh, yeah, those ones are blank. Now, one of the other things that I'm going to be doing, because this garage floor has a slope to it, rather than trying to use trigonometry and really change everything, I'm just going to be putting shims underneath the bottom, probably 1 here and 2 over here, just out of other 2x4s to bring it level. That way it doesn't look like it's all crooked. We're going to be using pocket holes for part of this, and the thickness of a 2x4 is actually 1.5 inches. So I'm going to be setting the drill depth here to fit that thickness of 1.5 inches. We're using a Kreg jig that is set for 1.5 inches here. I'm going to be putting 2 holes on each side. Use my clamp to hold it down, hold my workpiece so it doesn't slip. I have this set for 1.5 inches as well. Another one over here. Don't forget to clear your sawdust. Swap over, and let's take a look at what that looks like with the screw in it. This is going to make it easier to get those angles. These are going to be going through like this. And they'll be giving that much bite into the next piece. So half of the screw is here, half of it is here, giving it plenty of strength.
What's it called again?
It's Kreg Pocket Hole Jig. This is where I accidentally slip and you get a screw through your foot, right?
No. I'll try not to move if that happens.
No, I'll make that the show must go on kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yep, yep.
That one this way. Let's go the middle one first.
Okay.
So got this.
All the way?
Yep.
It's going to
It's lower.
nails, and then
Right up to there, and go off the lines. The nails are just for help.
Yep, gotcha.
So line it up with the end and aim for the lines, not the nail that I made.
Yep. Okay.
Towards here.
Yeah, should be super interesting.
So we're gonna line this with the middle of here.
There you go.
Just want to give it. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Garage shell.
We're gonna cut off. We're gonna have it overhang.
Okay.
One of these edges. Otherwise, it's gonna fold in the middle.
Okay.
So wherever your line is, we're gonna have it hang over here.
Okay.
I think I'm there.
Yeah.
Now to prevent it from seesawing, I've got some clamps. Yes. I'm probably gonna use my jigsaw.
Okay.
Just a little bit easier, but we'll see. Start moving.
Yeah. Looking through.
All right. There we go.
Looks awesome.
This is a good test. You can hear where it creaks.
Yeah.
Or whether or not we may need some more pieces going across here.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Slide it into those notches over
The
there.
right way.
This is to tie these two together a little bit more.
Excellent.
And then give just a little extra support to that.
Okay.
It's probably not necessary, but why
Filming.
not? Okay, we just finished. Let's go take a closer look at this. This was a good, quick way to spend an afternoon. I think there's only one injury. I mean, right there, just a tiny little bit. That's it. I don't even know how it happened. Other than that, this went pretty smooth. So the wood warped a little bit because, you know, when you buy things at a big box lumber store, not all wood is going to be straight. So let's take a quick look at what we did here. Things that I would have changed if this was really needing more weight. Well, if you take a look at the spacing here, that middle piece is 2 feet from here. Standard framing would have been, you know, 16 inches on here, but really this is not going to be carrying anything more than a couple storage boxes. It did hold my weight. It did the trick. I used pocket holes for a lot of those parts, but I have reinforced it by adding a couple little blocks here. It's not going anywhere. That's about it. I mean, I'm up on top of it right now, and it's holding me. I can give it a little wiggle. It is anchored to the wall studs in a couple spots. If you look really carefully down there, right here, and over on the other side. That is about it. No more tools. I can take my safety glasses off and have a little nap. Probably fit a couple people back here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. Did you spot any of the safety mistakes? I might have done some. Maybe the other person might have done some. For sure, there was some that a lot of you are going to shake your heads at. But that's about it. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Oh my god.
Shh.